Madam President, I am proud and excited to say a few words to urge my colleagues to support Mary Kay Lanthier as the next District Court Judge for the District of Vermont. Ms. Lanthier is a native Vermonter who has spent her entire career in her home state, including working as a public defender in Rutland for 15 years. She grew up in a hard-working Vermont family where the parents emphasized the importance of serving her community. Ms. Lanthier learned that lesson well and has dedicated her career to being a public defender. In that role, she has fought for her clients to have a fair chance at justice in her courtroom, and if she is confirmed, I am confident that she will make sure that all of the people who appear in front of her are treated fairly and get the justice that they are due. Ms. Lanthier began her legal career as a judicial law clerk for the trial courts in Chittenden and Addison counties, where she developed a deep love and dedication for the work taking place in Vermont courtrooms. Early in her career, Ms. Lanthier worked in private practice and public defense, working on family law, workers' compensation, and criminal cases. Since 2007, she has served as the supervising attorney at the Rutland County Public Defender's Office. In that role and throughout her career, she has developed a reputation as a respectful and skilled attorney. Judges have praised her preparation, and opposing lawyers have written letters in support of her nomination. As one of those letters says, quote, "Ms. Lanthier's compassion is a virtue that improved the administration of justice," end of quote. Last November, I was pleased to be joined by Senator Welch with input from Congresswoman Balint in forming a nonpartisan judicial nomination advisory panel to fill this vacancy on the federal bench in Vermont. The panel was impressed by Mary Kay's career in public defense, her stellar reputation in the legal community, and her warmth and empathy. I was also impressed after interviewing her. One thing that struck me was not only her deep love of the law, but her deep love of Rutland, Vermont, where this judgeship is based. For Mary Kay, I know that there is particular pride in doing this very important work in her hometown, and for being a role model for the young people growing up there today about what is possible. Along with Senator Welch, I was pleased to recommend that President Biden nominate her for this position. She will be an excellent district court judge for Rutland and for the state of Vermont. I'm confident that she will treat everyone in her courtroom with the compassion, respect, and dignity that they deserve. I urge my colleagues to support her confirmation.